And meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party getting ready for 2022's Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections now. State Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has met Prime Minister Narendra Modi already at his residence 7 Lok Kalyan Marg in Delhi today morning. In a meeting that lasted for almost 1 hour, both leaders likely to have discussed various issues including the next year's crucial assembly elections of the state. However, the meeting is clearly coming in the backdrop of alleged displeasure in the top leadership of BJP with the functioning of the Uttar Pradesh government, especially the COVID crisis, the discontent after a lot of bodies were seen floating in the Ganga river, and the poor performance in the Panchayat elections are two of important issues as bone of contention. Yogi Adityanath's reported opposition to the appointment of former bureaucrat A.K. Sharma, otherwise known to be close to the Prime Minister, has widened the rift now. Yogi Adityanath is on a 2-day visit to Delhi, already has met JP Nadda and likely to now meet President Ramnath Kovind as well as a courtesy call. He met Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday. So now my colleague Akshita Nandagopal is explaining the 8 key factors that could possibly decide the fate of the party in Uttar Pradesh ahead of elections.
What BJP's 8-point plan is, what they're going to be focusing on in the run-up to the Uttar Pradesh elections. First, they're going to be looking at making some minor changes to the government. We'll perhaps get more details on this after Yogi Adityanath's visit to Delhi concludes. There's also a focus right now on vaccination drive in Uttar Pradesh. Considering the vast population in UP, Yogi Adityanath wants to set the record straight on that because of a lot of criticism also that the BJP has faced due to the second COVID wave. Organizational strength, which could mean also some changes in the organizational structure of the party in Uttar Pradesh. Now, the BJP has always spoken about their development agenda. That's something they're going to be again harping and focusing on in the run-up to the Uttar Pradesh elections. Caste realignment, and this means not just with regards to their leaders on the ground, but also for their allies, is something that they're going to be focusing on. They're also going to be ensuring social welfare schemes are put in place for the poor to ensure that all of their schemes reach the poor and their policies benefit people of Uttar Pradesh. Alliances with more accommodation. There's been a lot of talk about allies being unhappy in Uttar Pradesh, so that's something they're going to be addressing, and also to bank on religious sentiments in the state of Uttar Pradesh amid all that we've seen also with regards to Ayodhya. So these are the 8 points that the BJP is going to be focusing on ahead of the Uttar Pradesh polls, and it is to really lay out this roadmap and this plan that Yogi Adityanath is in Delhi for.